Salut mon pote, comment ça va? Congratulations for starting this new rebuild of the Road to A1 course. You are on your way to build a super strong foundation to your French level. The course layout is super easy to follow, so I don't have much to explain, but just to review quickly, on the left right here, you will have all the units. They are organized logically, so you just have to start by unit 0, then unit 1, and you do all the chapters in order. Every unit contains no more than 7 chapters, and so if you are super motivated, super dedicated, you can decide to do 1 chapter every day, and like this you will complete the course in a super fast but proper and serious way. This is why the units have been renamed semaine, so like week 0, week 1, week 2, because if you do 1 chapter every day, you will complete 1 unit per week. Actually, most of the time, the chapter 7 is not a real chapter, so you can have a day of rest at the end of the week. But this is only if you are super motivated. Now, as you can see, every chapter will look exactly the same. You have the course here, a quick description below, and then the resources right here. Below every chapter, every course, you have a devoir file, which are the homeworks. It's super easy, you just click on it, and then you have access to the homeworks file. You can download the file, you can print it, it's yours now, you can do whatever you want with it. You have external link to other websites, other exercises. Everything is logical and makes sense. You just have to follow every chapter. As you can see here, some of the exercises, they are using audio file. Same, it's very easy. You just click on the audio here, audio exercice 1. And then you have the audio file
1.
for the homework.
Lille est une ville très sympa.
You can change the speed, do everything as you wish. It's super easy to follow. And you have links to other resources as well. Usually at the beginning, you have an introduction unit with also external resources. At the end of the chapters, you have additional resources as well with, for example, le film de la semaine, the movie of the week. So you can watch 1 French movie every week. Okay, we're going to add some more inside the folder as well. So here you have everything to progress. And in any case, if you have any question, the community tab is here for you. You just write your post under the question category and me or my team will answer you right away. Finally, last information, alongside with this course, you have the 100% grammar A1. In this course, these are only grammar exercises. So in Unité 1, you will have all the grammar topics, Unité 2, all the grammar topics, and these are purely practice exercises if you think you need additional exercises. Same here, you have the PDF files with all the exercises. It's very detailed. It's purely practice if you need some like more exercises, okay, because the topics are a bit difficult for you. So the Unité 1, Unité 2, Unité 3, etc., they will match the Unit 1, 2, 3 of the new Road to A1 course. Okay, that's it. Again, congratulations for starting this course. À bientôt, mon pote. Ciao.